in the MATLAB environment. All these codes will be given to you now because first already I think it has uploaded into Google Drive. It has taken almost all 1 hour. It is almost all 2 GB. You can download whenever you have the Wi-Fi. So share options. I will give the editing. So not restricted. I will give anyone with the link. Anyone with the link editor. That means you can download. So done. So I will copy. And I am pasting in the link. You can, everyone, if you have any laptop or mobile, just copy and share to your WhatsApp. I have kept the name is Knowledge Gifts because almost some 5 to 6 hours I have worked. But if you use this one within a 1 hour, even bachelor projects, master level projects, even you can write PhD level research papers, high level research papers. We'll discuss in the next slide how we can able to write high level research works. So we can use directly so that what are all the things required related to this topic, everything given there. And also I will share the files without image, that is having images, okay? Yeah. This is the one I saved the file, saved. So new folder. Yes, here in this one there is no images. In the Google Drive link, images given. So because this is a less size, I will share this one in the group itself. Send. Now this is only of 26 MB only. So remaining all programs, I will share the. Enable top. Sir, unable to upload here data, sir. Plus, I am clicking on plus. Sir,
if it is a folder, just copy and paste.
Copy and paste, sir. That way we'll try. Okay. I will try, sir. I think it's not coming, sir. Maybe one by one zip folder. No, it's not uploading.
Okay.
If it is not zip folder, then there are many programs are there. So all input data, VLSI data I have given. Programs, all programs, Python and MATLAB, all the programs here I have given. And other basic y equal to basic. If you want to understand the basic y equal to mx plus c means small problems, that also I have given here. Deep learning LSTM models also given. So this link anyhow I have given Google Drive link. Please go through that Google Drive link and you can download. But that is around 2 GB. 2 GB downloading, you need a high speed internet. But this is okay. I will try. Okay, at the end, if you have the time, within the time I will download. So now already 4:30, 1 hour, so 15 minutes, we'll try to complete. So what we have understood, is in our title topic, we need to apply the deep learning methods to solve the problems of VLSI manufacturing industry. So deep learning means classical and advanced. That's what we have observed. Here we have confined because of the time constraint RNN and CNN, but hybrid method, that is we are going to mix the first and second method, CNN and RNN. The another one is also this method, the last one is graph neural networks, the latest approach. If you want advanced, that means if you want to continue at a PhD level of research papers, then we can able to go. For master level projects and bachelor projects, these are more than enough. But graph neural networks, advanced things, the same thing we can apply and we can compare. Okay. So these are the different methods. So come to the proposed multi-framework. As of now, till now, we have just discussed only the individual methods, but we are going for the proposed multi-model framework. Why we need a multi-model framework? If you are depending only on a single method, the single method is best for one particular problem, which may not best for the another problem. For example, in our house, in the kitchen, we have different knives are there. Small knife is there, small knife, only to cut the vegetables, tomato, onion, like that. For example, to cut any chicken or anything, so we need a big knife. So for different problems, we need a different solutions. But when we see the VLSI manufacturing, it is a complex process, right? Many sensors. We just saw almost all 590 sensors data it is giving, and see the high non-linearity. If you are only depending on tabular data, that is radial basis function neural network, only classical neural networks, which may not give. We need a advanced like convolution neural network. If you want to model or predict with respect to the time frame, definitely we need a convolution neural networks, even other advanced neural networks. So what is here, my topic here is multimodal framework. In multimodal framework, here you can observe, see all individual methods, whatever we have discussed, RBFN, BPNN, ANFIS, RNN, CNN, and all other deep learning methods we have combined. All these are trained with the VLSI data. I have taken data related to the VLSI. Same data I have given. I have trained. Among that, it is going to identify defects identified. Then it is a fail. There are no defects. That means it is a pass here. Like that, we can able to identify whatever the identified fail, those will be sent back. If any small repairs are there, if it is possible, otherwise it will be thrown. Without defects, that only it will go to the next level to the customers. So what is the advantage if we have the multimodal approach? Means if for particular, for example, if you take 400 sensors data, for 200 sensors data, RBFN is working very well, identifying. For remaining part, it is not giving the best result. In that case, maybe the another method will give. Right? So it is just like a family. Whenever any problem is there, one person may not enough. One person will do one problem better way. Another person will do in another way the best way the method. Right? So whenever we want the overall the best solution, definitely it must be integrated. Even though if you take an example, any curry if we are making, different ingredients required, no? Similarly, when we are doing a complex problem, it is not possible to extract all features. It is not possible to recognize all the patterns. Therefore, the latest one is multimodal approach. Even when we are driving a car also, there are multiple inputs we are getting. Based on the multiple inputs, we are taking the decision. So similarly, here also, based on the multiple inputs, we are going to take the decision. It is good or bad. It is pass or fail. Right? So when we are driving a car, can we overtake or not? Our mind, biological neural network, is assessing based on the training patterns, how much speed Can I able to cross safely or not? So like that, we can able to, right? That's why multimodal approach is required. So the other future directions in the PhD research level, we can able to use LLMs. We can able to apply for Industry 5.0, even reinforcement learning for better optimizations. In reinforcement learning, it is another neural network. In reinforcement learning, the output is right or wrong, good or bad. Only that information only will be known. It is comes under the only means right or wrong. This award will assign to that one. That type of learning is called as reinforcement learning. And coming to the conclusions, so here we have used a different deep learning methods. So whenever we use RBFN, radial basis function neural network, or backpropagation neural network, these are best with respect to the table data. Table data means we are having input and output, and in that case we can use. And ANFIS also we can use, but it is having only disadvantage is single output system. But if you use multiple ANFIS, we can able to get multiple outputs. The another one is recurrent neural network. It is related to the time-dependent parameters, and the convolutional neural networks is related to the images. That's what we have understood. And in order to enhance the productivity in VLSI manufacturing industries, there are several sensors. It is giving the signals. Based on that, we are going to identify the defect ICs with respect to different sensors. So that is called as a yield. So if yield is above 90%, that type of RAF or whatever we are selecting, it will be good. So we can able to identify. We can when if you're able to identify, we can able to enhance the productivity. And as just now we told that in multimodal approaches, systems generally are the more complex systems, so that we can able to easily approach with multimodal. If one method is not giving correct, the another method will work out. If it is identified, so that we can able to identify the defect things, so that the process in the manufacturing, VLSI manufacturing process, time, money, all the things we can able to save. So these are the references I have taken. From this reference, I have taken the database first, that file I have taken. And this is the paper there also they have discussed, and related to the LSTM model and related to the yield. These are some references I have taken. Thank you. Any doubts, please? CNN is related to the image processing, sir. And graphical neural networks, I have not used it. And I have used the conventional neural networks related to the images. Any doubts, sir? Thank you. I will try to share the file, but here I'm clicking on plus attachments. Also not coming. Your upload button is not coming. Okay, I will just try to copy the folder. Programs I will try to copy. That's also not working. Okay, individual one by one I will try to copy. For example, first one is RBFN. It's not working. So I have given that Google Scholar, sorry, Google Drive link. From there, you can able to learn. Okay, Srinivas sir. Any doubts, please? Yeah, by WhatsApp group I will share. To Srinivas sir I will share. You can see here I will share. Srinivas sir, you can share to the audio participants so that they can save the time. This one we can able to use for master level, bachelor level, number of projects we can do. Telecommunication students, electronics. Even for PhD students who are pursuing, they can also, because advanced, I have given to Srinivas sir.
Yes.
Sir, are you able to see, sir? I uploaded. So this is only 27 MB, sir. Kindly share to the participants, sir. Hello, sir. Okay. I have shared. Kindly. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you for the session, sir.
Thank you,
Participants,
sir.
your participants are requested to ask some questions regarding if you have any queries.
Okay. Thank you, Gopi Krishna sir. Are you able to access the chat, sir? There are 2-3 questions posted by
okay, sir.
participants
Okay.
in the
Yeah,
chat.
yeah.
If you can see, it's fine,
How
or
this
else I can
CNN will
read
be
out.
useful. Yeah. Can you share the WhatsApp? WhatsApp I have shared. When is the test schedule? No. I have
Not
answered,
WhatsApp,
sir.
sir. Teams chat, sir. There are 2-3
Yeah.
questions.
In the Teams chat only, I have answered, sir, all the questions before.
Answered.
I answered, sir.
Okay.
I answered. Srinivas, sir, I have shared the file to you by WhatsApp.
Okay,
So
sir.
kindly share this knowledge gifts like that. All programs are there. Programs, data files, ready made. So please share with them because I am unable to share with Teams.
Okay, sir. Shall I share now? Is there your
Yeah.
session is going to continue, or shall I share them to the participants?
Session completed, sir. Session completed.
So this gift I will share to the participants in their WhatsApp, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please.
Okay, na, sir. That is easy for me.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Already I have received your file of size 27 MB zip file.
Yeah. Here in the chat also given drive link that is 2.9 GB with the data, that images, all the data is there.
Okay, sir. This knowledge gifts by Dr. Gopi, sir. I have shared in the participants WhatsApp group, sir, just now.
Oh, okay, thank you so much.
Just now. Dear participants, you please check the WhatsApp group of our ATAL FDP. I have forwarded the zip file received from Gopi Krishna, sir. Okay, dear participants, this session is open for queries. Do you have any questions? Yes, sir. One question, Gopi Krishna, sir, I am reading out.
Okay, sir. Okay.
This is from Shubham Sunil Patil.
Okay.
Is
Sir.
FFGA skill useful for the electrical engineering students? Sir, it is FFGA or FPGA, sir? Subham Patil, sir, you can unmute and ask sir directly.
Whatever VLSI, it is a common for electrical and electronic students. Yeah. It is a common for electrical and electronic students. I am also from electrical background only. Because electrical students also, they will study the 50% electronics part. So they know all these ICs, all the things. So definitely it is useful. But here my topic is related to the deep learning methods. We are applying to the VLSI. We can able to apply. For applying the for applying the deep learning methods, we just need input and output data. So in order to understand the deep learning method, first we need to apply for related a small problem. Once if you understand the small problem, then the same thing we can apply for the big problem. What is the difference between small and big is only the thing is accuracy. So when we are not getting the accuracy means the data is not correctly given. That's why whenever artificial intelligence, whenever we are applying, artificial intelligence role is only the 5% or maximum 10%. 90% is the data. That's why data science engineers playing a vital role. Number of jobs in the coming days also coming related to the data science. 90% is the data. So data we need to understand. Data we have to clean. Exploratory data analysis we have to see, so that AI will understand automatically. That is the main thing. Okay. So data is the important one to apply the AI things. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. And one more question.
Yes, sir.
Which is suggestible, either Python or MATLAB, sir?
It depends on the convenience, but as engineers know, technical, electrical, mechanical, we are more because ready-made tools are there. MATLAB. Simulink tools are there. So if you are if you are having more practice with respect to MATLAB, we can use MATLAB. Or if you are having the large database like image processing is there, MATLAB will take more time. That's why which is best always for some features something is best. For another one is something is best. So better to have the idea of both. Before what was happening whenever ChatGPT was not there, getting that much skills was difficult. Now ChatGPT is there, just sitting in a car, in the Tesla car. Before we used to drive the car, we need to have the driving skills. Now just sit in the Tesla car. That means we have the chat GPT. How to run the Python program, how to import, means how to give the file, the Excel file, that only just a copy paste, only 3 or 4 steps enough. Therefore, learning of MATLAB is equally learning of Python also. There is no difference. No need to understand about all the lines of code. We have to apply the deep learning concepts to solve the technical problems. That's
Okay, sir.
that
One more
means
question,
yes,
sir.
yes, sir, yes.
One more question, sir. What is the maximum accuracy of a circle wafer? Is there any relation with the diameter?
Oh, definitely, sir. Because I'm not from the VLSI background, but I have gone through to give this seminar. I have gone through that literature, several literatures I have gone through. So definitely it will have the impact, no? Because the number of ICs depends on the area. Generally, they are taking the circle. I don't know why they are taking circle. If it is a square one, then we can get the number of ICs. That's what I was observed.
Okay, sir. One last question, it seems.
Yes,
Does
sir.
GNN or CNN supports color images and supports EMI and power analysis?
So whenever image processing is going on, no, the entire image, it will convert into the characters. Grayscale it will convert, whether it is a black and white or color. So it will identify the object. In that case, it is a color or a black and white, doesn't matter. For example, we are identifying the object night time, only the object identification. If colors we have to extract, then that case also that RGB colors, then we need, then it will differentiate. That way also.
Okay, sir. The same participant is asking, does GNN or CNN supports EMI and power analysis?
GNN I didn't work, sir. CNN, there are many things are there. For example, YOLO version 8, YOLO version 11. These are ready-madely available free softwares. All for power analysis, for example, on the transmission line, insulators are giving the cracking. For all such things, it will in the ready-made software is there, YOLO software. So that is all developed based on the CNN. we can able to apply for different power system analysis, power analysis things. Also, we can able to apply. So it's possible. So whenever we want to apply any deep learning methods or any AI methods, what we need is we need a data. Data is considered as the food. If we have the any type of data, it may be a text data in the form of table like input and output, or it may be in the form of images, or even we just having only the input data, we don't have the output data. In that case, unsupervised learning methods, it will comes into the picture. We can able to apply. That's why once if we have the data, we can able to understand. That's possible.
Okay, any more questions? Any more questions, dear participants?
All participants, they are students or faculty, sir?
Sir, majority of them are faculty members and some are research scholars and PG students.
Okay, sir. Okay. That's why I just shared the programs, sir, so that any master level projects, number of bachelor projects for even for research also it will be used.
Yes, sir. That I have immediately shared with them.
Yeah.
And one more question in the chat, as I can see. Is it okay to use the, somebody asked about Python or MATLAB previously, no, sir? The same participant is asking.
Yes, sir, I'm using only, we are using only crack version, sir. Crack version only. From the torrent, I have downloaded the latest version. It's working fine.
Okay.
We in the university, we have a licensed version. But some libraries not working. Whatever the programs I have shown, no, when I run in the our university 2017 one, which is not running, then we have to degrade the program to that level. Because nowadays everything is automatic, no, automatically reading to the Excel, right? Automatically writing to the Excel file.
Okay, sir. Before we conclude, sir, any suggestions for our research scholars?
Definitely, sir, because this ChatGPT, now AI is coming. We are all thinking that something it may replace. It may not replace, sir. It never replace. It is only an assistant. And when we are using the ChatGPT, we are thinking that our creativity will reduce. No, that is also not correct, because as a professors, our students, they have been using, we cannot able to stop their creativity will come in another way, because all this chat GPT, all whatever we are doing in the laptop, it is only a theoretical. But when we come to the practical hardware is missing. No hardware, how these things it will do. Even if we have the robotic machines also, implementation still 90% not that we have to develop. So now in the coming days, because of this ChatGPT revolution, more creativity will come towards the hardware implementation. That means autonomous vehicles, even everything autonomous related. It may come into the picture. So that's what I want to share. And it is not confined to a particular specialization, electrical, mechanical. All are now even electrical, mechanical students or civil students also, they are all equal to the computer. Whatever the computer students, they can perform. They can able to do within 5 minutes the computer. For example, recently I went to my car AC repair was there. I went to a shop. That person has asked, sir, are you working in? Yes, sir. We want one software, building software. Actually, I am not a software. We are from electrical background, but a chat GPT is then, okay, what do you want to tell me? Say, I want building system software. Okay, give me 1 hour time. I just used a chat GPT. I have given the prompting correctly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then within 1 hour with the trial and error, now it has given a software. Just one click, just I have taken photo and uploaded, automatic calculations, everything it has developed. That means I developed a software. Even I can develop any app, only matter of 1 hour. Therefore, there is no specialization, only electrical. It's not like that. Any person can able to do any work. That way is possible with respect to this AI tools.
Okay, sir. Just one last question, sir, before we wind up the session, because immediately after this at 6:30, participants are eagerly waiting for writing their online test for assessment of FDP. Sir, one last question, sir.
Online test
how
means they can use ChatGPT and they can write, no?
So how can
Okay.
multimodal deep learning approaches have better, how much better accuracy than unimodal deep learning approaches, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's what, sir. Sir, whenever we are taking decision, it is not based on a one factor, sir. It is based on the multiple factors. So if you see the Excel file, whatever I just shared here, I will share my files are here. Once again, sharing the screen. See, this is the Excel file I shared with our participants today. See, this is a VLSI manufacturing. The first one is a time, and from 0 to up to 589, that means 590. These are all different sensors data. That means 590 sensors giving me temperature, pressure, area, different things it is giving. And see the file, a very, very huge file. What is the relationship existing? High nonlinearity. This much of nonlinearity is existing. If we are depending only on one method, definitely that system is not accurate system, because certain sensors can able to identify with respect to some methods. Some are not, but when we are using classical deep learning methods and advanced deep learning methods, so now in my method, so my method is a multimodal method. My method will solve everything. But if you take any another method like unimodal method, that will solve only a particular things. For example, in our kitchen, we have a knife. A small knife is there. That knife I can able to use only to cut tomato or onion. But when I want to use to cut for any chicken or mutton, which is not useful. But in multimodal approach, that means in my kitchen, in my hand, I have the multiple knives are there. And applications, whatever application it will come, that will be used. Therefore, my multimodal output can solve any problem. That's why the multimodal approaches. Because why we need it? Because the input is not related to one complex patterns. See the data, it is having the multiple complex relations. That much multiple complex patterns are there. Sometimes one method will detect, sometimes another method will detect. For example, we are traveling in the ocean, in the ship, right? Ship safety by only some security guards. Maybe they are sleeping. Maybe a passenger is woke up, something is going to hit or going to make accident. He will tell, no, he will identify. So identification by different methods, different persons is necessary, sir, in the real time. That's why multimodal approaches. That's why I mentioned it's a proposed method. That way we can able to do the research work.
Okay, thank you, Gopi Krishna sir, for your time. Dear participants, if you have any questions, you can ask, or else with your permission, we will close the session. If no more questions, Arpita ma'am, please conclude the session.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for a wonderful session. Thank you for sharing your valuable expertise with us. We'll wish to have you again in the future programs also, sir.
Thank you, madam. It's my pleasure.
Thank you so much, Gopi Krishna sir, once again.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for giving the opportunity. Can I exit, sir?
Yes, sir, please.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, dear participants, already test link is enabled both in ATAL portal, and also the same test is shared in chat box also, and also in the WhatsApp group also. Please go ahead with the test and submit by 7 p.m. And you people are requested to stay in the meeting 6:30 p.m. to 7 p.m. as per the schedule. There will be a half an hour online assessment test. And after that, half an hour online feedback. And then from 7:30 p.m. to 8 p.m., we will have a valedictory session. With that, this FDP will conclude finally. So please be here in this meeting till 8 p.m. Thank you.
उभं रे. हो खातो रे. द्या तिला. हो रे.
Okay, dear participants, I hope all of you have submitted the form. And now we will have a valedictory session from 7:30 p.m. to 8 p.m. before we conclude this FDP. Please stay on.
హలో హలో ఏసార్ గారు హలో
Sir, good evening, sir.
గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్
Good evening, sir.
Okay, sir. Just within 2-3 minutes, we will start the valedictory session, sir.
కొంచెం స్టార్ట్ చేయండి, వేరే పని ఉంది, కొంచెం అయిపోయిన తర్వాత నేను వెళ్తాను.
Alage, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, dear participants. So we have come to the end of this 6-day online FDP program. Thank you all for joining us for this valedictory function. Just for a snapshot's sake, I request you all to switch on your cameras, please, for 1 minute. Please switch on your cameras. Arpita ma'am and Murli sir, please take screenshot. Dear participants, please switch on your cameras for just 1 minute for snapshot sake. Madam, is it okay? Have you captured?
Yes, sir.
Arpita ma'am,
Yes, sir.
have you taken snapshots, screenshots?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Thank you all. Now you may switch off your camera if you want. Okay, let us go ahead with the valedictory session. Respected dignitaries, esteemed resource persons, and dear participants, good evening, all of you. We have come to the end of a 6-day online ATAL FDP. It's my privilege to address you all at the valedictory function of AICTE Training and Learning Academy, that is ATAL Academy sponsored online faculty development program on advanced VLSI design and AI-enabled automation for next generation semiconductor manufacturing, organized by our institution, that is NRIIT Institute of Technology, from 1st September to 6th September, that is 6 days program. As a coordinator of this FDP, I feel immense pride in witnessing the successful culmination of this 6-day-long journey of learning, sharing, and collaboration. Despite being conducted in an online mode, the energy, the engagement, and enthusiasm shown by all the participants and speakers have made this program truly impactful. Throughout these 6 days, we have had the honor of learning from distinguished experts from academia and industry who shared their knowledge, insights, and experiences with us. Topics ranging from intricacies of analog and mixed signal IC design to multimodal deep learning approaches for the enhancement of productivity in semiconductor and VLSI manufacturing industries were not only intellectually stimulating, but also practically enriching. We are proud to announce that 187 participants have registered for this FDP from across the country, representing a diverse pool of institutions and disciplines. Your active participation in discussions and interactive sessions and assessments has truly made this FDP a rewarding experience. I extend my heartfelt thanks to AICTE ATAL Academy for granting us the opportunity to host this FDP and for their continued efforts in fostering quality enhancement in technical education. To all the participants, I hope this FDP has added value to your academic and professional journey. Let us now carry forward this learning into our classrooms, research, and institutional development. Let me conclude my speech with a quote by Albert Einstein. Education is not the learning of facts, but the training of the mind to think. May we all continue to learn, grow, and inspire. With these words from my end, now I request our beloved Principal Sir, Dr. C. Nagabhaskar Garu, to share his observations on this 6-day-long FDP. Sir.
Thank you, Professor V. Srinivas Rao Garu. And at the outset, first of all, good evening to one and all. And at the outset, I would like to thank, first of all, the resource persons who acted as a very useful persons for this entire program. So when I interacted with some of the participants, the feedback what I got is that the resource persons are excellent and their insights are very much valuable to all of them. So this is a very good sign because all of you are investing so many resources, not only time and money, we are investing in this workshop. So certainly if we get benefit out of it, it becomes a useful one to all of us. So in that purpose, first of all, we must have to thank to all the resource persons for in spite of their busy schedules, sparing their valuable time and for joining this workshop. And also, I have to thank the participants also. I came to know that nearly 185 participants all over the country participated. So actually, this has become an
Principal sir, please unmute.
Hello.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Now,
He is audible, sir.
Shall I start right from the beginning, or it is okay?
no, sir. Just now it got
Okay,
muted.
Okay.
Hmm.
So actually, what I would like to say to the participants is that our campus is a very beautiful campus. So physically, if the workshop is done in our institution, all of might have enjoyed the campus stay because ours is a Mango Grooves Institute, 20 acres campus. Even then, let us hope that next time you can participate physically to our campus. So for happening this workshop so beautifully, I am congratulating the organizers. Entire team has worked like anything, particularly the coordinator, Professor Srinivas Rao, and the co-coordinator, Dr. Y. Arpita Madam. Both of them worked like anything to make this event a grand success. My heartfelt congratulations to the coordinators for making this event a wonderful success. And I strongly believe that the participants, what they learned from this workshop, certainly carry forward for their future research works and other things. So with these words, I conclude. And once again, I thank the AICT ATAL Bureau for sanctioning this workshop for us, and which is useful for the entire society. So thank you one and all. Thank you, Srinivas garu.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Now,
sir.
my dear participants, we would like to hear from you at the end of this 6-day long program, your overall experience about this FDP. Please provide overall feedback.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir. Please
Hello, sir.
continue.
Hello, sir. My name is
Yes, sir.
Virenji.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I want to give my feedback.
Please, sir.
Okay. Good evening, one and all. Really, I feel privileged to have attended this ATAL FDP, especially on the topic advanced VLSI design with latest trends, AI-enabled automation for next generation semiconductor manufacturing. This program has been highly enriching with clear understanding of how the cutting edge VLSI design covering with latest trends of artificial intelligence to revolutionize the semiconductor manufacturing. All the resource persons are very informative, and the session were thoughtfully designed, covering both theoretical foundations and practical insights that are very valuable for especially teaching and my research work. I sincerely appreciate the efforts of esteemed resource persons who shared their experiences with such a clarity and depth. The knowledge gained here will certainly help me for my academic and professional journey, especially guiding students towards industry relevant skills. I would also like to thank organizers Srinivas Rao and Arpita Madam for their excellent planning and seamless execution of this FDP. The interactive sessions, case studies, especially the last session, all the discussions made learning more engaging and impactful. Overall, it has been a wonderful learning experience. I look forward by applying these insights to my work and also participating many more such FDPs in the future organized by your college. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you
Thank
very
you,
much
sir.
for your feedback.
Thank you, sir, for your
Hello,
valuable
sir. Good
feedback.
evening.
Good evening, sir.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Good evening,
I am
sir.
Dr. Sadish Kumar.
Sir.
Hello, sir. Good evening, sir. Sadish.
Sir, you are audible, sir. Please continue.
Yeah, sir. Okay. Sir, actually, I am from Amrjyoti College of Engineering, Kanjirapalli.
Sir.
Okay. The entire planning execution of the program was excellent. There is no doubt in that. And also, the time management was excellent. All the sections were really, we also organized many ATAL FDP. They were attended also. It was really excellent. I congratulate the coordinator and co-coordinator, the ma'am and sir. And especially the way the Govikrishnan sir has concluded the session with giving the information, resources, everything for future research, really appreciable. Thank you, sir, for giving opportunity to attend this workshop. Thank you once again to the entire participant. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir, for your
Thank you, sir.
feedback. Any other participants?
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Sir, please.
Sir, I am Shiv Shankar, sir, from our esteemed NRI Institute of Technology. Sir, I hereby extend my heartfelt appreciation for the honorable organizers, speakers, and as a participant, I learned some of the advanced VLSI design technologies based on AI-enabled automation, sir. So I follow the at least 8 sessions, sir. So I completely follow the 8 sessions, which is regarding AI-enabled automation, sir. So I participated 3 or 4 FDPs in this year, sir. But this FDP is giving the clear-cut edge technology for VLSI design, VLSI techniques with intelligent systems in the cornerstone of next generation semiconductor manufacturing, sir. So, and time management and audibleness and speakers are very clear about the subject, sir. Thank you very much for conducting this type of wonderful FDPs to getting the knowledge in the field of VLSI design and enabled automation technology, sir. Thank you very much for our esteemed organization, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir. This is Nagabashweswara Swami, full-time research scholar at SRM University, AP. So it gives me great pleasure for attending this FDP hosted by NRI Institute of Technology, sir. So this FDP has not only given us technical knowledge, but also the new directions in research. So as a research scholar, now we are looking for these type of workshops. So coming to publications also. So these type of works are very latest and very easily publishable. So I would like to thank to AICT ATAL as well as NRIIT and all the resource persons, especially the organizers who worked hard behind the scenes to make this FDP for conducting in a smooth and successful manner. So, and also my fellow participants who made the discussions lively and meaningful. So I'm eagerly looking forward for attending more FDPs like this in future regarding this VLSI, as I'm a VLSI scholar. So thank you once again for the organizers and NRIIT for this conducting this workshop. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable feedback.
Thank you, sir, for your feedback. Any other participants, please?
Good evening, sir. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, sir, you are audible, sir.
Yeah. Myself, Karthik, sir. And regarding this FDP was wonderfully organized, sir, with the sessions covering from the both fundamentals to the advanced topics. And the resource persons really shared their valuable insights and connected the theory with the practical applications. And I have learned a very lot about regarding the photosensing applications, which was explained by the Dr. Ashok. And really, it was very wonderful, and it will give some insights to the young researchers to carry out their research in that particular device domain. And the schedule was very well planned. And if something it will be that one of the faculty explained that cloud-based application in the hands-on session, that one also very wonderful, using some Grok application. Everything was very good, sir, and very fine, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Expecting these type of FDPs in future also, sir, from you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your feedback. Sir, any other participants?
Good evening, sir. Yeah, good evening, ma'am.
ma'am.
Myself, Aksharani. I'm from VIT AP University. I'm a research scholar, ma'am. First of all, I really thank you for this wonderful FDP. We learned a lot of things from this ATAL FDP session. and especially for our research work, which has got new insights from few of the faculties. We don't have any idea about the nanowares actually till now. But one of the doctorate, Dr. Umakant Nandasa, told about nanowares. That is a very beautiful session, and we got a lot of knowledge about that nanoware. And one more thing is Tamisete Ashok sir told about photosensors. And till now, I worked on the biosensors actually. Now my future work is related to the photosensors. So I got beautiful information about the photosensors, and I really thank you for providing these type of sessions. And really congratulate coordinators for organizing the whole FDP very nicely. And thank you for NRIIT Institute. Thank you for providing these good sessions. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your valuable feedback.
Thank you, ma'am.
Any other participants?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
So myself, Aripal Satyababu, research scholar of SRM University, and we thank to organizers for arranging this FDP, which give us useful practical learning. It is very helpful for new PhD scholars to build strong basics and gain new ideas in the field of VLSI integrated with AI models. These sessions on AI applications in VLSI provided deeper insights into future technologies, and the resource persons share valuable knowledge that encourage collaboration. We truly helpful, grateful to the resource persons and organizers for this kind of FDPs. And thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir, for organizing this kind of FDPs to share the knowledge of various resource persons in the core field of VLSI.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you
Thank
for
you,
your
sir.
feedback. Anybody else, ma'am, sirs, or madams?
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir, audible.
Yeah, I am Sharad Jagtap from Anantarao Power College of Engineering, Maharashtra. First, I will like to thank organizing team and all the members. They have very well planned. Another thing I like that the title of this course, this FDP, and all resource person, they had given very nice and informative detailing about the various topics. They are very helpful for us. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir,
Thank
for
you,
your
sir.
feedback. Dear participants,
Hello.
hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Excuse me, sir. Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I want to share my feedback, ma'am. Good evening, everyone. My name is Swapna. I have been working as assistant professor in the Department of ECE of St. Martin's Engineering College. It has been a great experience to be a part of this faculty development program organized under the ATAL Academy. And the resource persons were very exceptional. They brought deep subject knowledge and real-world insights into this FDP program. I would like to thank the organizers, coordinators, Dr. VSR sir and Dr. Y. Arpita ma'am and the host institute, NRIIT Institute of Technology, for their meticulous planning and smooth execution throughout the program. We have got every information in the WhatsApp groups and mails clearly. This FDP has definitely enhanced my knowledge, I think, and I will contribute significantly to my teaching and research practices. Thank you once again for this wonderful opportunity, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Thank you for your valuable feedback, ma'am.
Thank you, madam.
Hello.
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 Good
Ma'am,
evening,
you are
sir.
audible.
Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Please continue.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, this is Nitya from Osharama College of Engineering and Technology. So I would like to thank all the organizers who organized these sessions, that is Arpita ma'am and team. Thank you so much, ma'am, for the wonderful sessions. All the sessions are very used to our better future because we are all faculty. So thank you so much, ma'am, for being a part of this wonderful program. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, ma'am.
Anybody else? Okay. Now I request Dr. K. Ramanjanil Garu to speak a few words regarding this 6-day-long FDP.
Okay, good evening to all of you.
Good evening, sir.
Respected principal, sir, academic director, sir, our distinguished guests, resource persons, coordinators, and my dear participants. It gives me great pride to stand before you today at the valedictory session of this 6-day online ATAL faculty development program on advanced VLSI design and AI-enabled automation for next generation semiconductor manufacturing, organized by the Department of ECE at NRI Institute of Technology. Over the past 6 days, we have had the privilege of listening to eminent experts from academia and industry who have shared their knowledge and experiences on emerging areas of VLSI design, AI-driven automation, and semiconductor manufacturing trends. I believe the participants have not only gained technical insights, but also a broader perspective on the future of electronics and semiconductor technologies. This FDP has been a collective learning journey where advanced concepts were discussed, new ideas were exchanged, and participants were encouraged to think about innovative applications of AI in chip design and manufacturing. Such programs strengthen the academic industry bridge and help us prepare our students and institutions to align with the national mission of semiconductor self-reliance. On behalf of the Department of ECE, I extend my heartfelt thanks to AICTE ATAL Academy for sponsoring this FDP and supporting continuous faculty development across the country. My sincere appreciation goes to our principal, academic director, dean, and management for their constant encouragement. I also acknowledge the dedication of the coordinators, Dr. V. Srinivasarao and Dr. Y. Arpita Madam, and other organizing team for the smooth conduct of all the sessions. Finally, I congratulate all the participants for your active involvement throughout the FDP. I encourage you to carry forward the knowledge gained here into your teaching, research, and professional practices so that the benefits reach our students and the academic community at large. With this, we conclude this FDP with a sense of fulfillment and renewed motivation to contribute to the field of VLSI and AI-enabled semiconductor technologies. Thank you all and best wishes for your future endeavors.
Thank you, HOD
Thank you, sir.
Now, we shall close this FDP program. I request our co-coordinator, Dr. Y. Arpita Madam, to propose vote of thanks.
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. It gives me immense pleasure and a sense of pride to deliver the closing remarks on the successful culmination of our 6-day AICT ATAL-sponsored FDP on advanced VLSI design and AI-enabled automation for next-generation semiconductor manufacturing. Over the past 6 days, we have journeyed together through the rapidly evolving landscape of VLSI design and the integration of AI in semiconductor manufacturing, a domain that is at the heart of technological innovation and next-generation industrial growth. Our esteemed speakers, industry experts, and academicians have shared valuable insights, advanced techniques, and real-world perspectives that we are confident will empower all participants in their teaching, research, and future innovations. First and foremost, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to the AICT Training and Learning ATAL Academy for sponsoring and supporting this FDP. Their vision of enhancing the teaching and research capabilities of faculty across the nation continues to make a meaningful difference in academic excellence and skill development. I would like to thank all the participants from various institutes across the country for their enthusiastic involvement, thought-provoking questions, and active engagement throughout the sessions. Your presence and participation truly made this program dynamic and enriching. Our special thanks to the chairman, Dr. R. Venkatrao sir, and the management for their vision and encouragement in supporting initiatives that foster innovation and skill development. A special thanks to our beloved principal sir, Dr. C. Nagabhaskar Garu, for his continuous encouragement and support extended towards organizing academic programs of such stature. We're also grateful to our director, academics, Dr. G. Samsirao sir, whose guidance and mentorship played a key role in aligning this FDP with our institutional goals. Our sincere thanks to the Dean, R&D, Dr. K.V. Samsirao sir, who consistently motivates and supports initiatives that foster a culture of innovation and research. I would also like to convey my heartfelt thanks to the HOD, Electronics and Communication Engineering Department, Dr. K. Ramanjanelu sir, for his administrative support in making this program a grand success. I take this opportunity to express my sincere appreciation to all the resource persons, Dr. Avatar Singh sir, Professor, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Adama Science and Technology University, Ethiopia, Dr. Shikhar Gupta, Staff Engineer, Analog Design in IPG Interface, Synopsys India Private Limited, Bangalore, Dr. G.L. Madhumati Ma'am, Professor, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, VR Siddhartha School of Engineering, Vijayawada, Mr. D. Sai Satish, CEO, Indian Service, Dr. Umakant Nanda sir, Professor and Dean of School of Electronics Engineering, WIT AP University, Dr. P. Srihar Rao sir, Professor, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, NIT Warangal, Dr. T. Ashok sir, Associate Professor, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, NRI Institute of Technology, Mr. Umadeshu sir, CEO, Intelli India, Mr. A. Shankar Rao sir, Member of Technical Staff and Lead Engineer, Advanced Micro Devices, Bangalore, Dr. G. Linendra Chowdhury sir, Assistant Professor, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, School of Engineering and Applied Sciences, SRM University, AP, Dr. P. Gopi Krishna sir, Professor, University of Technology and Applied Sciences, Ibra, Oman, who shared their knowledge so generously, and to all our faculty friends for their technical support and for ensuring the seamless execution of every session. Finally, a big thank you to the program coordinator and Dean, Department of ECE, Dr. V. Srinivas Rao sir, and the organizing committee for their tireless efforts, meticulous planning, and unwavering dedication that made this entire FDP smooth, productive, and impactful. As we close this program, let us carry forward the knowledge gained, collaborate across disciplines, and continue to explore the transformative potential of VLSI and AI in shaping the future of semiconductor technology. Thank you once again to everyone who contributed to the success of this FDP. Wishing you all continued success in your academic and professional endeavors. Thank you once again.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, all the participants.
Thank you, all the
wish you all,
participants.
I wish you all the very best in all your future endeavors. Thank you.
Thank you all.
Okay, thank you, Srinivas and Arpita madam.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Now we shall close the meeting.
Okay.
Thank you, Srinivas sir, and thank you, Arpita madam.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, madam.